Mayor, Council, citizens. My name is William A. Bill Taylor. I am not running for city council. I've never been on the city council. I'm an automobile dealer here in San Marcos. I don't do anything as disreputable as sell insurance. The reason I'm here is that over the last year, there has been a project to put a roundabout on Opera Street, almost between Roundabout Drive and Bishop Street. We think this is a very poor idea. And when I say we, this is, I think, overwhelmingly the feeling of people that I have talked to. We had a meeting last week to let people give their opinions on this. The city was there. They seem to take up almost all the time, which is fine, I guess. We finally called for a vote. The vote was about 10 to 1, or maybe more, against the idea of a roundabout at that location. It seems to me that the council should, number one, reflect the desires of the citizens. And for this reason, I find it kind of hard to believe that twice before, in spite of the fact that people have consistently been against this roundabout scheme, it has been approved by council. One of the thoughts that I've had is that possibly council wasn't informed as to the amount of opposition to this roundabout. I had a phone call the other day from former city councilman my mind was looking down here.
It wasn't Bill Taylor.
No, I'm sorry.
Mr. Moore?
Anyway.
Mr. Moore?
No, it was John Lewis that called me. And John reminded me, which I need a lot of reminding, but John reminded me that he was at the very first one of these public meetings. And he told me, he said, well, I was there, and it was 90% against. And I said, well, that's kind of what my recollection was. But I said, sometimes I don't do things real fine. And he said, well, that's right. He said there were only about 2 people that were in favor of it, and almost everyone else was against it. And although I was unable to attend the next public meeting that they had, I heard that it was kind of a similar response. I understand that the record ran a poll on this, and it was at least 2 or 3 of them against having this roundabout. So for this reason, I am pleading that council revisit just the roundabout part of this project. The rest of the project, I think all of us agree are necessary and good. Although
Mr. Taylor, your time's expired. I think we understand your.
Thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor.